If you are tired of going to the gas station or places to get your tires filled, you're absolutely going to love this. This is a portable tire inflator. This is not just for your car. This could be used for bikes and other things like that. I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like, but wanted to walk you through some things. There's so many amazing things about this. I don't want to miss anything. So you got the 150 PSI max pressure. It's a cordless air pump, 2 minutes fast inflation. Right back here, we got 5 quick presets, auto shut off, integrated flashlight. This is a huge one, so you can see exactly what you're doing. You don't need your cell phone as well out there. Rechargeable battery, palm size pump, 12-volt car power cord. So you can charge this in your car as well. Over here, we got even more details. We got the PSI, so we could do motorbikes, scooters, bicycles, pool rings, balls, everything that's included right over here. So let me show you exactly how this works. All right, so this is the actual device itself. You'll see here we have all different kind of modes that we could put this in. Up top over here, this is where we're going to put our attachments. I'll show you the attachments in a second. We got the little flashlight bulb over there. This is where we're going to get this charged up. Like the fact that this has these little grippies on the bottom. So if you want to set this down like a tower because you're charging stuff inside, no problem. You could do this. This is the box that it came in. Really, really nice. Then we get all these accessories right over here. So this is going to be the car charger portion right over here. You're simply just going to plug that in right over there, put this into your car charger, and this will charge that up. Absolutely love the fact that you could do that in your car. Next, we got a carrying case right over here. So really, really nice. You don't have to bring the box with you or anything like that. We got the other charger right over here. So this charger right over here, we're going to put right up here, and that's what's going to charge this on. This did come fully charged, which I really do appreciate. Over here, we got all our different attachments. We got the pin for the ball. We got different attachments for pool floats and stuff like that. And then, of course, we have our hose right over here. So we're just going to screw this in just like this. And this is what you're going to use to inflate your tires. So let's go outside. I'm going to show you how it works on the tires, and then you could figure out how to use the rest of it because it is really easy and super intuitive. All right, we're now outside here. So right over here, this is how you're going to put your tires up or down. So if you want to increase what you need to be at 36. So I'm going to do that right over there. In order to change the mode over here, we're just going to hit that. So you'll see that changes right over there. That's your bike. That's your ball. So we're going to go car right over here. Then we're simply just going to hook this up right up here. Just like that. Give me 1 second so I could do it. All right, so we have it hooked up. That was super hard to do with one hand. So you'll see right here, it's telling me that my tire is 34. So that's like kind of cool. And then when we're ready to go here, I'm just gonna hit that button right over there. And we're gonna see it in action. It's gonna inflate this to the 36 it needs to be, which is absolutely awesome. You can see that it's giving air right now. We're up to 35 right now. Not taking a long time at all. It's actually really not even that noisy either. So if you're looking for a great tire inflator, definitely check this one out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I can do this for you.